Stop right there. If you've ever gotten stuck on partial fractions, this video is your cheat code.
Wait, Stewie. Partial fractions? I'm not even sure where to start.
Relax, Brian. I've got this covered. Let's take a look at this fraction. Looks like a nightmare at first, huh? But here's the trick. This quadratic can actually be factored. Once we factor it, we get. Now, we want to split this up into two smaller fractions. We'll write it like this. These are the constants we're going to solve for. Don't worry. I'll show you how to find a and b in just a minute.
Okay, so we just put a and b in there and call it a day?
Oh, if only it were that simple, Brian. Here's what we do next. We multiply both sides of the equation by x minus 2 and x minus 5 to get rid of those denominators. So, we get. Let's expand both terms on the right side. So we get 1 equals a, x minus 5, a plus b, x minus 2b. Now, we can group the terms with x and the constant terms. So we get 1 equals a plus b times x plus negative 5a minus 2b. Now here's the fun part, Brian. Since the left-hand side is just a constant, we can equate the coefficients of like terms on both sides. Let's do that. First, we look at the coefficients of x. On the left, we have nothing, so the coefficient is 0. On the right, we have a plus b, so we get a plus b equals 0. Next, let's look at the constant terms. On the left side, we have 1, and on the right, we have negative 5a minus 2b. So we get negative 5a minus 2b equals 1. Now, we have a system of two equations. I assume you already know how to solve them, so I'm just going to tell you that a equals negative 1/3 and b equals 1/3. And there you have it. We've solved for a and b, and now we can write the partial fraction decomposition like this.
Hey, if that actually made sense to you, go ahead and follow. I mean, you've come this far. Might as well let Stewie teach you the rest, too.